Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the January to April 2024 speaking topics. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe a place where you would like to go to relax. You should say where it is, when you would like to go there, what you would like to do there, and explain why you would like to go to this place. So as you all can see, there are 4 questions attached to this cue card and we need to ensure that all of these 4 questions are answered within the 2 minutes that we are given to speak. Now it is very important to lay stress on the question and on the tenses that you would be using in this question. It is asking you where you would like to go. That means whatever you are saying in your cue card has to be all in future tense and not in present or past tense. So make sure you keep that in mind because a lot of students get confused and they talk about a place that they have already been to. So in that case, you would be grammatically wrong and your marks will be deducted. Also, I have posted a lot of videos about other cue cards which are coming up in the exams or they were like asked to some of my students. So you can also check those out. Also, this reminds me that we are also posting videos on our channel about recent IELTS Task 2 writing topics that are coming up in the exams. So you can check out those videos. Literally, all the points that you can use for an essay like agree, disagree, or advantage, disadvantage, whatever topic is coming in the exam are discussed really thoroughly in the video, giving you like a band 9 answer template. Alright, so now let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. It is essential to keep oneself relaxed as well as carefree at all times, and traveling as well as exploring new places is an effective rejuvenation technique that works for me. And today, I would like to speak about a place named Nainital which I have always wished to visit to keep myself stress free. So as you all can see, instead of jumping directly to the first question, we have given a little bit of an introduction to the examiner and also clearly communicating to the examiner what we are going to speak about today by using the phrase I would like to speak about. Also, instead of using the word relax, we have used a number of synonyms here as well. We used carefree, we used rejuvenated, we used stress free. So all these will also enhance our band scores for a lexical resources part later on. Okay, so let's continue. It is a beautiful hill station located in the foothills of Himalayas and is popular for the revered Naina Devi temple which stands on the edge of the lake. So revered means reputed. Furthermore, I would like to go there in the month of June when the temperature would be moderate, ranging between 10 to 15 degrees Celsius, and not very cold, with my family members to get temporary respite from the hot and humid weather of my city, Kolkata. So, respite means relief, like a temporary relief. Additionally, I would like to enjoy boating at the picturesque Naini Lake, situated in the backdrop of majestic mountains, catch a glimpse of the mesmerizing sunrise from Tiffin Top, and also pay obisa at the divine Naina Devi temple. So, as you all can see, we have given a very good elaboration for the third question, which was what you would like to do there. We have also used a number of good adjectives here, like picturesque, which means beautiful. Majestic means huge or mighty, tall mountains. Glimpse means to catch a short view. Mesmerizing means beautiful. And obisa means to offer prayers or to bow down respectfully in front of the Almighty or God. Actually, it's a good idea to just pause the video and just write down the words as I'm telling the meaning so that you do not forget it later on. Moving further, I would like to try some exotic cuisines at the local restaurants and also purchase souvenirs from the street markets. So, exotic means authentic cuisine, some local cuisines. And souvenirs are like mementos, which are things that remind you of that place. Say, for example, if you go to Agra, you get those keychains which have Taj Mahal on it, right? So, that is kind of a souvenir of the place of Agra. Alright, so let's continue. Finally, this trip would give me an opportunity to develop stronger bonds with my family members while relaxing and de stressing in the tranquil environment at the same time. So, tranquil means calm. So, we have again used a better vocabulary word here as well. Also, as you all can see, we used a lot of connectors here as well, like moreover, however, although, finally, and all these will increase our band scores for the coherence and cohesion part later on as well. As for our fluency and pronunciation, which are the other two criteria on which you are marked upon, we made sure that we were not taking any kind of pauses in between, and we also made sure that our speech was clear at all times. We did not do any kind of or any kind of repetitions in between. So all these will also increase our bands for a fluency and pronunciation part. Thank you for your time everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.